Hi, everyone. Welcome to Mindful Crafts and More. I am Katrina. To those of you guys who are new, welcome to my channel. I hope you see something you like. To those who are returning subscribers, welcome and thank you. I really appreciate you for hanging out with me for a little bit. So today I just wanted to do a very quick video to give you an update because I finished the first item in my subscription box to Darn Good Yarn. So in a previous video, I opened the box and showed you guys what was in it. And I also showed you finished pieces using the patterns that came with the subscription box. So about 85% of you guys thought I should use the yarn to make the crocheted item. And we will show the original one that I did. And then 15% of you guys said I should make the knit item. And I'll show that one. So now guys, now that we've seen what the patterns look like in a solid color yarn, I went ahead and did what the majority of people requested, and that was to see the yarn made up with the crocheted item. And so here we go. This is it. I really do think it turned out good. And even though I can't see the design as well, I think the laciness of the pattern really does help. The color in the yarn is very, very vibrant and busy, but I really do like the colors in the yarn. Now, what I will do is give you a little short review on the yarn itself. So silk yarn is very interesting to work with. It doesn't necessarily glide through your fingers like perhaps other yarn fibers do. So you do have to work a little bit to maintain your tension as you are working with it. I do encourage you guys to try using different fibers to just get a feel for it and see the difference. If you've ever felt raw silk, then you might understand a little bit of how it would feel if a small amount of it were gliding through and you are trying to knit or crochet with it. There are other types of silk fibers out there that maybe are combined with something else to give it a different texture, but this one here is a pure silk, if I'm not mistaken. And I love the colors, the way they dyed it. And I really do like the way the cowl came out. All right, so I hope you guys like it too. Tell me what you think about it in the comments below and look forward to the next video that's coming out. I am working on the items for the patterns that are in the next box, and then hopefully in a few days I'll be able to come back and show those items to you, and we can do another um, style like we just did, where you guys can help me out and figure out which one of the patterns I will use for the yarn. All right, so I look forward to seeing you guys once again, as I have been stating, because it is so important to me and I know it's important to you guys too. Please be safe. Please stay well. Please use your masks and social distancing as recommended. Either wash your hands thoroughly using the recommended length of time, or use hand sanitizer if a water source is not readily available. And by all means, do something mindful each and every day. I will see you guys real soon. Bye bye now.